John takes the bus regularly. Public buses are his main mode of transportation. John uses a mobile app like Iris that helps him check bus arrival timings. Knowing when his bus arrives helps John plan his schedule. Apps like Iris are maintained by bus companies. Iris is maintained by SBS. Bus companies require manpower and infrastructure to engineer a system like Iris. For example, all buses would require a GPS system on board. Such systems can be costly and difficult to maintain and service. For all the effort, Iris is still known to give inaccurate bus arrival timings. In rural areas or in areas serviced by less well-off bus companies, such bus arrival timing systems can be too costly to set up. Introducing my final year project, Waze++ for buses. This is an app like Iris. Do away with most of the infrastructure, manpower, and costs, and crowdsource the work of locating the buses to commuters themselves. All that is needed are commuters and their mobile devices. Commuters just have to on the Waze++ for buses app and carry their mobile devices with them. The app works in the background and commuters can continue to use their mobile devices. No user input is needed for the app to know what bus service the user is on, whether the user is on board a bus, or whether the user has alighted. The app is clever enough to determine the position and service of the bus, whether the user is on a bus or not, all by itself. The app and a central server work hand in hand to aggregate, process, and store information so that other commuters may retrieve information about their buses. Now John has a clearer picture of his buses. Summarily, we have done away with costly infrastructure and manpower for bus companies and created a system that is powered by commuters for commuters. This system is also implementable in rural areas and areas serviced by bus companies who cannot afford to set up their own bus arrival timing systems. Waze++ for buses draws on information from OpenStreetMap, a map that is maintained and updated by the community, by people like us. Waze++ for buses.